Hello friends, this is PC Mentor and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to fix this problem. Windows was unable to complete the format. How to fix this problem? Let's get started after this short intro. So here I have the USB pen drive and I am going to format it. Just right click and click on format. And here we got this error, window was unable to complete the format. So I'm gonna click OK. Now let's open the drive and it shows empty. Now I'm going to try for the second time. Start. OK, and I get the same result. Now just eject your USB pen drive and insert it again. Once you have done that, now open the command prompt with the administration privileges, and here we go. Yes, now here you have to type for disk part command and hit enter. Once you have done that, now type less disk and it will show you all the disk. Now I'm going to select disk. So the USB pen drive is disk 1 and disk 0 is our internal hard drive, so make sure to select the disk 1, that is the USB disk 1, and hit enter. Disk 1 is now selected and type clean. So now I'm going to type, so that is the USB, and now type create partition primary. Once you have typed that and hit enter, so once it's completed, now I'm going to back to the USB pen drive and I'm going to format, and here we go. Format completed. So in this way you can format the USB that was not earlier been formatting. It was giving the error that Windows was unable to complete the format. So in this way you can fix that problem. So if this tutorial helps you, so make sure like this video, and if you have any question regarding this video, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.